I know NIAM very well since 10 years because my friends are from NIAM and they are in global platforms now. Obviously, it's a very renowned institute. I can say it's among good institutes in India.
So my first in-hand experience was wow, because as soon as I entered the campus, I realized that this campus is beautiful and the vibes that you got is really positive and you just feel that you are just awesome being here.
I mean, NIAM has definitely played a big role in grooming the students to the perfection. So good institute. I mean, we are always very high of NIAM.
So this is the first time we are visiting the NIAM campus and I did not have any expectation as of now, but you guys superseded my expectations, starting from the hospitality as well as the organization, everything. We feel satisfied, more or less delighted to be here.
A very good platform to show their efforts, their performance, all their hard efforts in a single platform, and where the industry experts are coming and seeing their views, seeing their strategies. I can say it's very innovative, very good idea to get understanding of the real case scenarios, and it provides them a very good base going forward in their future.
I feel pledged to be here because as an experience, I had also some experience, but there is no match to this Agro one, no match to this event. That is superb.
First of all, I'll go, in kinds of arrangements. So I think the team has put very hard efforts to make this success. The kind of, displays, the branding which I could see, and this is not very easy when you have studies also at the stake. So you put in lot of efforts, and the kind of hospitality, care, everything was perfect and very nice. I mean, it's very good experience.
After seeing the views, after seeing the analysis of the participants, it was very surprising, and it has given some clues where we can add in our upcoming strategies. And thanks to the NIAM for providing this opportunity to get the new ideas. Definitely we are going to use these ideas in our strategy.
It was actually very awesome because the teams that came, they were of top-notch quality, and they presented a point of view that was very diverse and truly enriching to hear, and I was actually delighted to come here and experience the thrill.
No, very nice. I mean, to share with you the 390 entries coming for a case study, itself speaking that the kind of participation which is attracted by NIAM for this event, and the 6 teams which were shortlisted, very hard to come to 6 from 390. So all were very good, and some of the brilliant ideas which come out during the case study.
So I was like, there was a lot of competitions touching in the different areas. That was a plus key point, I think. And there was like healthy participation from different colleges, not even there's no localization in particular sector. So I was excited that I was able to compete with other people who are from similar management colleges.
Keep doing these activities with the same passion. You will definitely give very good colleagues to the industry.
These are the platforms which showcase your leadership, organization, qualities when we come and participate in these events. So be in touch with more of such companies. So that's what I can say.